Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the hottest interior design trends for 2025 and exploring the age-old question, should you go timeless or trendy? Let's break down the latest styles, colors, and design choices to help you make the right call for your home. One, the timeless foundation. Let's start with the timeless approach. Timeless designs are all about creating a look that never goes out of style. Think neutral colors, clean lines, and classic furniture shapes. This approach often means you won't feel the need to update your decor every year, which can be both time-saving and cost-effective. Two, what's trendy in 2025 now? Let's talk trends. In 2025, we're seeing some amazing bold choices that bring fresh energy into homes. Rich jewel tones, mixed metals, and geometric patterns are everywhere. These trendy choices can bring a lot of personality to your space, but they might not be as long-lasting as classic looks. Three, color trends for 2025. Color is one of the easiest ways to play with trends. This year, earthy tones like terracotta and sage are big, as well as unexpected vibrant colors like coral and teal. Timeless color palettes, on the other hand, focus on whites, grays, and muted tones. If you want longevity, consider using trendy colors as accents through pillows, rugs, or art. Four, furniture, classic versus contemporary. In 2025, furniture trends are embracing curves, asymmetry, and natural materials, creating bold statements. For a timeless approach, choose pieces with classic shapes, like a Chesterfield sofa or a clean-lined armchair, which can last through many trends. And remember, investing in quality furniture will always pay off. Five, patterns and textures. Patterns and textures can add depth to a room, and in 2025, texture is everything. Velvet, rattan, and boucle are huge this year for a luxurious feel. For timeless decor, look to classic patterns like stripes or plaids and understated textures like linen or cotton, which have a softer impact on your space. Six, sustainable design, the long-lasting trend. Sustainability is one trend that's truly timeless. In 2025, eco-friendly materials and furniture continue to gain traction. Reclaimed wood, recycled metals, and biodegradable fabrics are key choices for eco-conscious designs. Whether your style is trendy or classic, opting for sustainable options means you're investing in a healthier future. Seven, lighting choices. Lighting can make or break a room. 2025's lighting trends include oversized statement lights and wall sconces with organic shapes. If you want something more timeless, classic pendant lights or simple floor lamps are versatile and elegant. They blend seamlessly with any design style. 8. Minimalism versus Maximalism. Are you team minimalism or maximalism? Minimalist interiors, with their less is more approach, are timeless in style. Maximalism, however, has taken center stage in 2025 with bold art, layered textures, and a mix of patterns. While maximalism is fun and expressive, minimalism's simplicity often stands the test of time. Nine. Wall treatments, to accent or not accent walls, particularly with wallpaper or textured paints, are a hot trend in 2025. Geometric and botanical patterns are everywhere. For a timeless approach, consider neutral wall colors or subtle, textured wallpaper that adds interest without overwhelming the room. Blending timeless with trendy, the sweet spot. Here's a pro tip: you don't have to pick just one approach. Mix timeless elements with a few trendy accents. For instance, pair a classic neutral sofa with trendy pillows or throws. Or add a statement light to a traditionally designed room. This way, you get the best of both worlds. And that wraps up our look at timeless versus trendy interior design for 2025. Whether you love bold statements or prefer a more classic look, there's a way to blend these styles to create a stylish and lasting home. Let us know in the comments, are you going for timeless, trendy, or a mix of both? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips. Thanks for watching.